Welcome to yet another legendary episode of Clastes React K3 Studios. My name is Clastes, K-L-A-S-T-E-S. Everywhere, including Momo. Everywhere, including Momo. Your original black boy. Your original black African boy. If today is your first time on the channel, thank you so very much for clicking the video to watch at the first place. Please don't forget to consider subscribing and also hit the notification bell. Likewise, the like button. Super. I know you have done that already. I salute your majesty. The way I fool your matter. Fine. If you are like me and you hate showing flesh, you hate showing your nakedness to the outside or to the public, look sharp and get something from Elinax clothing. Elinax clothing. My brother, my sister, if you are wearing something, as far as I am concerned, if it is not from Elinax clothing, my brother, my sister, you are naked in the Lord. Hallelujah. You are naked in the Lord. I know very well you don't want to be naked in the Lord. So I'll put a link to Elinax fan page or their contacts in my YouTube description box. Look sharp, click on them, go check them out. Trust me, you go love the vibe over there. Super. On this very episode of Clastes React, it's all about Say the Don and Twinny Jonas, bro. Say the Don. You see why this particular episode was referred to, or I refer to it as legendary, because it involves a father and a son. The father and son, Say the Don plus in father. Per what have been portrayed to us all this while, Say the Don is the son, Twinny Jonas is the father. Oh my God of mercy. They comes with a new one. They title this one what? Glass Nkwan One Don. Glass Nkwan One Don. Glass Nkwan, bro. It's not a new thing to us anymore. The Glass Nkwan term, it take everywhere. So without much ado, let's do this. Say the Don fit Twinny Jonas, or say Twinny Jonas. Glass and One Don. Okay, directed by Sergio Parra. Sergio Parra. Woo. Yo. So I see some calling levels they go on. Seriously, I feel the Ghanaian nose mask over there that they put Ghana on the map in terms of music at the uptown there. You feel that? Me love you, Twinny. Come on. New York City. Yo. Bro, I'm getting confused over here. Why? Because per what have been portrayed to us all this while, Twinny Jonas has always been the boss. And his son has always been Say the Don. So I don't understand why Say the Don would rather be sitting down, feeling so comfortable, and Chairman himself will be standing up. You get the argument? Or can you understand where I'm coming from exactly? Because Charlie, I said I'm lost, like I lost more. But all the same, this be official music video. This ain't real life, you know? Yeah, man. Let's do this. Let's do this. She form. Yo. Some killer moves, oh, bro.
Blasting
Yeah.
Cito, that's hard.
Say the Don,
Say the Don.
Jonas. We run the city.
Straight.
Hey. Whoa. Look. Respect the Don, then you gon' catch bullets. Gon' catch bullets.
You hear that? Respect the Don. If you no one catch bullet. Let's take this thing again so you hear something. Woo. Let's take this shit again. Woo.
Cito, that's hard.
Say the Don, Tony Jonas.
Come on.
We run the city.
Yeah, we do, you know.
Hey. Whoa.
We this your best friend, bro.
Respect the Don, then you gon' catch bullets. Gon' catch bullets.
They don't say one count bullet. Oh, the guy coughed me. If you know one count bullet, you hear the British accent. Then Twinny Jonas coming. One count bullet, one catch bullet. I said typical Ghanaian man. Bullet. You hear what I talk about.
you stay, shoot him in his face. And the fuck boy head in a pasta. Don't call the coroner cause he don't need a doctor. Don't know bad man dog, them an imposter. I'm an imposter. Glock on my side holding 23 shots. We don't drive by close.
Ghana on the map.
You keep sleeping on my youngins, they gon' make your bed rock. Make it up on the counter, make eight.
So that's what I'm at to the Jonas 10 backup vocalist for this particular one inside though. Well, Fabia Mensa, you
thing hot, hit them broad day, everybody shell shocked. Everybody know my name, streets to the south block. I would never sell my soul, dog, I used to sell rocks. Make Tommy Susu. Disrespect the dawn, then you gon' catch bullets. Gon' catch bullets.
You hear what I talk about? Respect the dawn so you don't catch bullet. Wait, Tony Jonas say one camp bullet, one catch bullet. I say the British accent, you don't know the match. You bab.
If my dog them back that thing out, they gon' pull it. Round with a Drake, pull it where you stay, shoot him in his face. And the fuck boy head in a pasta. Don't call the coroner cause he don't need a doctor. Don't know bad man dog, them an imposter.
Yeah, imposter.
All my niggas raising hell, we been in them jail, shit is really real.
But I feel the vibe for the song inside. Despite I'm not trying, like I know they really get the British accent and all that, but I feel the vibe for the song inside. Hip hop, you know, in and with that. Sometimes we just soak the production, the beat production. We forget the lyrics for inside. If we are hungry to, we'll take care of the lyrics later. Yeah, man. Seriously, I feel the video direction, the night scenes, the night shots, the camera angles, dope, bro. Nice video quality, bro. And the feel the way that they portray Africa, the African map, then the Ghana flag and all that. Everything shows that, yo, we be Africa, we put on the map, bro. Let's do this. You see Ghana flag again?
My youngest do it for the thrill. Put you on the menu, they gon' treat you like a meal. Money ain't a problem, put them dollars on your ass. Just know black niggas hopping out the vans. Yeah, that's you.
Yeah, that's you.
Respect the dawn, then you gon' catch bullets. Gon' catch bullets.
Bullet.
If them back that thing out, they gon' pull it. Round with a Drake, pull it where you stay, shoot him in his face. And the fuck boy head in a pasta. Don't call the coroner cause he don't need a doctor. Don't know bad man dog, them an imposter.
Yeah, imposter.
We run the city. We run America.
Yeah, man, we have heard this time without number. They run the city, bro. Tony Jonas ran the city, bro. He ran America, bro. Okay, he said we, including Side the Dawn, maybe an I. You know, we run the city, bro. Let's tell you, country.
Africa.
Africa.
Say the Dawn is the only Dawn.
Straight.
Any other Dawn is fake Dawn.
Ooh, bro. According to Tony Jonas, say the Dawn is the only Dawn. Any other Dawn is a fake Dawn. We all know, say we get one Dawn. Yeah. Tony Jonas say he be fake. Forget Shatawale. Forget every Dawn. Forget Don Tega. Say the Dawn is the new Dawn, bro. Store this.
The abro for my free.
Hey, Sally. The day you go to talk this thing, where somebody go interpret this thing, give these white people, Chairman, it go worry you. Yo,
Chef
glass. Yo, respect to that, respect to that. Royal Jonas Films, that be actually Tony Jonas production firm. I salute the work for this thing inside, bro. They put Ghana on the map. They never shy away from the man. The man origin are the full that much respect to Tony Jonas. Sometimes they do things with the few. Or almost all the time, they do things where me particular are the few, especially when it comes to your warm-ups, bro. I feel them vibes were, I feel them vibes were. If you have not yet watched the video, I will put the link to the video, the official video actually, for my YouTube description inside. The name has been Clastes, KLASTES, everywhere, including Momo. Click on the link in my YouTube description. Go check them out. Let's vibe. If you have not yet subscribed, consider doing so. Till we meet again on my next video. Blame Society.